no. Na minu ka say oyeboni aye me. Minti mi nyi Solomon Agbasi boni aye.
Okay.
The entire make us minti mi ni boni aye say. You as House of Folk. Mona moye the mother club of the of the player. Say player no enem wo contract na so or kwakoye transfer marketer. Momo na wase mudi na mudi sika. Na moje mu percentage. Na player ni baby eden echo.
Okay.
If in any other means you want to convince the player to stay with the club, moma na contract. Na se maka acha say ebia me ma 2 years contract, 1 year contract, Oko World Cup. 1 year contract me man definitely me the Oko World Cup ne ba ubenya contract outside be percentage ni just like what they did for our national team goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. Omo man contract because they knew very well say Benjamin Asare they would definitely sell Benjamin Asare outside. It's the contract but was signed 6 months 1 year. Now we will get maybe 50% or 60% of that particular money. It's the football administrator Ben our House of Folk. One share the contract between House of Folk and Solomon Agbasi. And Mark Solomon Agbasi equal free. Now me a player. No way jam I'm a co free. You expect me? Say me cash out amakoji $80,000, $70,000. No, you expect me to bring the football club $30,000? No, that be na one kabesa. So they lack football administrators. The people, the so-called people, almost so many football mo. All more House of Folk na ye come masema no much letter tin no more they take journalists in Central for one in Ukruma no. You see, when these things pops up, expose how mumu
administration is poor.
And the airports when you know has administration
the conversation it exposed the administration, the management, and those people who almost handle the contract of players. Means they don't know football. And the same thing is happening at Kumasi Santo Kotoko. Some clubs be a work room because House of Folk and you can't say we do. You were a big club for Christ's sake. Kromo in Africa and say continental masters. I'm on your bomb didn't come home. Kumasi Santo Kotoko. They be a meeting Kumasi IFHS. Yaka club of the century. Yan fan Koma Ali. Yan fan Koma Zamalek. Yes, a Kotoko na club of the century from 1900 to 2000. There were records of why football, you know. And some person they work could do. But yes, still, these teams are suffering in terms of club administration. They don't have resourceful personnel. They don't have resourceful personnel. Now can you tell me, say, club or the 2 years players 23 cost 15 players in the club? How do you expect the club to generate revenue? Or Pamu the way free club the Mususua Ojai player Ojai player manokokwa without getting something from the player. And as I say, Kotoko Omuja players never buy Ochina Chrome or buy Ochina Bessa Omuja be quiet Momako. Kotoko be free because of say there was a certain IMC and no air cover club. No. Open source can air shigukwa because those so-called people they don't make mass interim management committee for no club. No. They don't know anything. Most of them. They don't know anything because there will be a club administrator who knew football. No, you enjoy player man nkokwa Gabi. You enjoy players only player no contractor. You terminate player no contract mark player no nkokwa because you know very well say when you invest in the player, anya bian bosume so player neka. You take care of the player in terms of welfare. It is a player who jana kwa manakwa for not to transfer market. We know some clubs on member player no. It should be a loan. That's a clubs will be the Umusika Beba. You take the money, then you let the player go. But then Kumasi and to team no management, no. You drive players no more. It's in a season.
What him said and say Chairman Alex Erezi. Omuko so kai from no more. Chairman Alex Menu, Ashanti region supporters chairman. Erezi said and say some players are jai momuko free no. And yet okay one say.
Yeah.
And what only there so surprising. Benjamin Chum, what is Benjamin Chum age? Benjamin Chum, or that the man national under 20. A player less than 22, shall the prospect to crack. Yes, Benjamin Chum and go for free. Meanwhile, Benjamin Chum only maybe say was recent. Almost say a boy now and the confidence level from on person being produced.
And that's what you transfer.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, Dan Lad Ibrahim. Dan Lad Kotoko. Kotoko had exceptionally talented goalkeepers. Felix Anan, Kwame Ba. And Razaka Balora. Yeah. And to the only and say, Dan Lad Ibrahim, you never can face out.
What did you face out?
Oh, you know, the Kum Chelsea. You know, the building the confidence level.
Not the
World Cup, I got to go in the Suscan. you serious?
If I should tell you the amount of money Kotoko Lusu in the club in the last 2-3 years, and I am concerned with Okoya, Ubeba Onum. And yet 2 million Ghana cedis assembly account. Or Pimso Benshi had invested almost 20 million a single season in player sales. See and Koto player and Fanimra Kotoko. In Penifo Bichisika, a Koto player than a bar. Now Penifo Kronas are catcher say Yakoto player bid number last season. There was a defender, Omokoto on the Bamimbo defender and the Dean. Yakoto player and the baby, no. Na Penimu back one say Chan who say player Yakoto na ben the son fast one saying there be or yet they're crowing ye be because when ye be boy MY. Penimu ne can't answer no.
No, Mary, no, my Jan.
They say as we speak right now, player no defender no that sort of one ma. They are giving that defender no say on Chesenia. Me who am in describe scenario no. On say the entire Kotoko should keep him this season.
Oh, okay.
On no reason.
No. Club them defender no Makoto no. Defender no Makoto no dey buy.
Do be say.
Yeah, no should be able to justify why
they should keep him.
Now who is serious? How far no man target?
So
woman
because one defender na make answer.
We need was man okay nyina. The aba me tiri we say me. Makofa player ba. Na player na me dey ne buy na at the end of the day. Me see player no wa ma me ye de SM ye. Mentime amfa na to transfer because my adwene ne so onyade.
Yes.
Entime de to transfer kro obi anto. And this metime koto player. Etina wo ton na ye nto de na na aduma be na me ye no.
That's what I'm saying say. Clubs no more krom hanom no. Gabi.
What you say?
They don't have resourceful personnel more running football clubs no. It's when it comes to situation like this, our clubs need say administration no. E was say you fa obi a or you resourceful. Onim de. Obetima player contract. Obetima nyama bi so obetima nyama bi sia. Ukobekwa club back bi no. Na the back up and take in fact 5 duties at a time.
Which is Rubian so
me say ko Tanzania. Ko home clubs no. Uroma administration officer me so be ba onum. We have people are allocated duties tasks for them to do to handle. Eti kotokone house of folk no me say ye football na yebu okrom hanom no enye obi na enyo me say ye bi etna ha na bi mu esopa ketokre ku seket mu na enye football ni ye fine they ever had a role to play in making sure the league ni betimi akọ enimu but unim se club ni mienu no me kam maka bi asma making Gabi meaning say some time to come onim be ya adwen se Ghana football ni betimi asori it depends on these two football clubs. They carries majority of supporters ayebo okrom hanum and the kotokone has a ban anu yebo 22nd February I mean classico yebo baba ya check the number of supporters omko baba ya sports stadium. It tells you say nkrofo emienu no emmom performance so kakra bia the Ghana Premier League no betimi arise but nkrofo ni me na yedi omo ho nkomo no omonye omadwen so omo obu omo ho omonye omadwen house of folk na yedi no ho nkomo no onye na adwen so oboa no ho Kumasa Santo Koto so ye na adwen so oboa no ho maybe season go ya IMC ne ko akotoko enya permanent board management or maybe manage football club and maybe you see something around Kumasa Santo Kotoko.
I less than 5 minutes per dude mama 3 bia na na ye intimi because we and they were yes ya dealing ya kwani in depth point no mama kaka na
key ade we but 30 seconds while we busuya for ye more abaso ye champion ye bona abaso
okay
why they enras go supporters no e baba bishia no on residence
oh okay
ama gidia na mo mu nyina e baby ya nkasa ye nua ona
na kakari mu ka ho ana
Caribbean honestly menkai.
Okay.
But the bottom line is omo baba that champion ase. Se bema be bi wa be ni nyina. Omo appreciate your be de ma adansman oboasman. Nti say no champion so extra team no. Say no team no. Ampa onye biu.
Ndi isi ade omati ase say as good that than no ana omo de eba ni ya na.
There be extra utie Esno as go there by the ball.
Oh, anything that may be so we.
But almost as go that no.
And once I'm now okay.
Yes, and no juma on baba ye na say so person almost sign.
Okay.
Editing no. Eba back no.
Okay.
Inti a better champion ase. Na ya da adance man so ase.
Okay.
Yes, obo ase supporters.
Okay.
We super bra. Unimade.
Mediama de ya na.
Mediama. Nations ye ma kano crenatural.
Kakra bi na
ye ma critically. Mediama team na okra no. And only team was Ekobo confederations. Okay. So all the Mediama team we Ekobo confederations now and Kobera group stage.
Okay.
Mediama, unfortunately for Mediama, draw near draw no a day man toto. Look, I agree. Me appreciate the fact that any TP Mazembe ntisa first TP Mazembe no. Into no more players baby, no more issues are echo FIFA sam. Now even Abrante we cry kotoko center back igani ukrano. Say no more they come more than $100,000 and also echo FIFA. FIFA agini sika man. Into almost the same problem. But almost love one soon reducing my medru yanya diabeka say because here say almost the same problem. Katumbi our exile our Belgium. And based on that, no near Diego Cras out. Still almost $3,000, $5,000.
Any top kind of players
almost. Yes, almost me attractive players be more certain standards. Bro, yeah, so. Look, some of the other bet me about Brano bet me a BB, all man home in county. Because on the baby home first. And bra, Mediama were a lot of work to do. What be someone there way, Maestro, what be someone that say, I don't see a Champions League Arsenal. Ghana had 2 teams spend at Miaje. And 3 teams spend at Miako finals. Asante Kotoko had to folk Goldfields. Goldfields then the one with Miko could do finals. They had money. Nesika Woho. Goldfields virtually had everything. Ghana, I can tell you as a matter of fact, say, Goldfields not the first time was Ambrona Kotoko. Has SA was Ambrono. Goldfields say beat it, no. Kapani again, no more. Lotto. No more necessary AGBASI. No music asem, no more national team players. Me wa. Lawrence Ejemo. Kosinu Tojimo. Ebendida. Ana Ebenegan mo. Top talent. And you know, so social media team no. Anya bad team. When you some level of experience, especially about confederations, every group stage, was now about Champions League, every group stage, so it is okay. But so show team critically. Now can say on TP Mazembe and you Ukraine. No, what be to say first.
Yeah, I get it.
But so TP no advantage. The only thing Mediama bet me and say, oh, making sure say what be good results. Yeah, baby Mediama team na ankasa so. Season you also up signings and Mediama team back one. Or the finest signings. But near level no the kind of style. Doglimo and the other players almost send someone there.
But in African terrain, idiot.
But African terrain no. Sa level no. O drew hard more both say sound drew baby last 2 seasons Mediama ebo Champions League no money younger ball game bi o ha o shana enika younger betre Mediama say look more ball Ghana so more yam so no more there by no ya elevate in game na drew certain level broso ko he game ni bi money younger no go na younger ebo no it was obvious say younger can so be say Mediama 3-4 be say no and Mediama were a lot of work to do for nations. Me need to do our nations. Yes, yeah, Dreams FC. Oh, be a Cinderella story. But Dreams FC are on no call semi-finals or Kosia.
Na squad no ye no consistency na o.
And for top class players be the only thing they did was that man John Nhyira on Africa football experience. Open player back one.
And Chipeni obi na say
yes, on the baby room.
Eric so move boy.
Brought their boy. They have what we call consistency. I don't think make us. Dreams every Division 1 ever Premier. Their captain was Jalilu. Samukai Jalilu. On the call Rwanda. He was their captain. Abrantian was still part of the team. At least all players, no. Not do now bomb watch on the average by 3 years there and 3 seasons no more. Hence consistency not a year, Juma. In essence, the idea and the players a cry boy. From 2 seasons ago, and also I'm winning answer.
Yabatwaso Efrimande ko Wadarumana and Samno Sopa. Quick one Kakrabi on dear Judy, Odebeka Judy, the Anwana Yamakoles in the time.
Gabi, House of Folk on. The Biamekase, Sikenibi obey invested what the Mubian unim near Opedi Efrim. Gabi would say, hey, Soko talk phone a crow, you only the wood phone the bay into our pacoto. It took me, say, House of Folk got problems more. Memfa adiano mo bia say e to be na me de bebono.
Okay.
The entire makers and say, hey, what a club. We invest so much in the club. So who can some of these clubs are or more training facilities, a quality, a top notch. You mentioned Accra House of Folk.
Yes, Ghana had it.
A Accra House of Folk.
Yes, standard.
Pobiman complex. A standard. Okohonuma omo purchasing because I've been there so many times and I know what I'm talking about. Baby players in the top notch. So he has invested so well. But ask me, say there are some people around the football club They are not helping the club to thrive. And he knows, he knows. People have been reporting to him. Players had been communicating to him. But yet still, on Kanwasem. And these people now, because of say you be doing commercial you be winning favor. These people are destroying the club. It will share some of the things there. See, House of Folk, it will players, quality players that House of Folk bet me I say yeah, Tom are generating enough revenue. But in common say the contract between players and the clubs, it is not that kind of mature.
Okay.
I'm privy to some players be one more contract. Some 5 players be one more contract meaning. And okay, moon some who send you maybe some
has ne demand.
Has one contract with him now. Some they compare to media man. I'm telling you, Nyamana media man for no. People should not take it lightly. Nyamana media man for no. Oh, they check media more of late. Omonia more. They are putting systems, structures within the club. And they are making sure that within the next 2 seasons to come, Mediama will compete at top level in Africa.
Okay.
Nanka club at 2024-2023 season, 2023-2024 season. Or these 16 players, I call Mortar, I call Tom Doma Mortar. Clubs will honor. But in the next season, that same season, no, Osabeji Premier League will honor.
And it tells you, sir,
they know what they are doing.
Okay.
But yeah, crowds of folk on your top level football club. An investor invested so well. Or managing football club, no. Yes, still, he's not getting the results. And only be and fan because he believes in some people. Onuji said they know football, but definitely they don't know anything about football.
Well, and ya kasi ye die chira ya be kasa bebre ya listeners mpacho omo de me friend ya grantino Maestro ma ye ni san komo ni wie e cheminim se enye den a wunya tam bia beba na ya to aso na ya di san komo na to aso because